What's up, YouTube? Developer Daniel back at it again with a tutorial today. Today we're making an animated GIF like this one right here, Pikachu, as you can see. And the good thing about these is you can move them around, so that's pretty cool. That's what we like about making these. You can move them around, put them wherever you want to put them at, and there's settings for it too, so you could how transparent you want it. Say 80, but you can see it, but it's not that well. So yeah, let's get to it. So first thing you want to do is go to your web browser and search up RainMeter. It should be the first one. RainMeter.net. So click on that. Excuse me. Scroll down a little bit and go where it says downloads. And down the newest version, which will be the 4.3 beta release. So download that. Wait for it to install. Download, I should say. Alright, just done. Open it. Close this one real quick. Run. Standard installation. Yes. Next. Install. Yes. Now wait for it to install and finish. Alright, so you want to check if it properly installed. Go down here in the right corner, bottom corner, and click RainMeter. And this is where you manage RainMeter at. You guys might not have these at all because I created these, but I'll show you guys how to make these. So yeah, we shouldn't worry about this too much right now. Next, open your web browser again. Go to Google. And now we want to look for is for your GIF. So what I recommend is using the transparent one, so you can see that image you want owning. So transparent is better because if you don't get a transparent one, it'll still have the white or black background, which I don't like. So let's look for transparent Pokemon transparent GIF. There you go. Boom. Images. And let's get to this Chansey right here. See how it is. That's pretty cool. Alright, so download it. I'm going to put it in my desktop. Download it. Alright, cool. So we're going to exit that out. And now you want to do, if you don't have a Photoshop like GIMP, I recommend downloading GIMP because it's free and it's easy to use. So I'll put that in the link in the description so you guys can download it. It's free and it's, like I said, it's really easy to use. But you guys need a Photoshop to do the next step. Now wait for it. Now we gotta wait for it to load. Alright, there you go. So file and open and find your image. Mine will be my desktop right here, medium, best, whatever. Open. And as you see right here on the right, which says brushes and layers, it has 16 frames. 16, yeah, 16. Alright, so you want to do next is file and export layers as PNG. So saving, yes, desktop. You know what? I'm making other desktop. I can make a new folder. No, I can't. Oh yeah, create folder. Just put it Chansey. There you go. Oh, what's going on? Where's the thing at? Oh, there. Open. There you go. Chansey, there you go. Now, okay. And then exporting them to your desktop. Cool. So now they're here. Cool. Check them out real quick. Cool. Alright. So what you want to do now is rename them. And the thing about this is you gotta rename them by numbers. So you always start off with 0. So 0 or not. Or not. 0. There you go. Enter. Next one. 1. I'm gonna fast forward right now so you guys could just skip it. So now that we named our image by numbers, it should look like this. 0 to your last one. Yeah, my bad. So it'll be 16 images in total. So if you count to 0, it'll be, of course, 16 because there's one. It starts from 1 and ends with 15. So you add the 0, that'll be 16. All right. And next thing you want to do is create a new text file. Right here, text document, and let's call it Chansey. I spelled it wrong. Chansey file, I guess. I don't know. Something like that. Oh. File, yeah. What you want to do is What's going on? All right, cool. So we want to open it up. Might take my second screen. Sorry about that. So open it up, and we're gonna write some kind of code for it. Where did I leave it at? Oh yeah. Open it. Let me copy it real quick. Sorry about that. Documents, RainMeter, skins, Einstein. Open this one. No. Let's see. You know what? I'll just write it out. Alright. So we open this file and we're gonna type this in there. I already have it downloaded, but I'm gonna leave in the description so you guys can download it, so you guys don't have to type all this. This you could always change it, but this is mine because I'm the author of it, so you can put your name on there, whatever you want. But the main thing you're gonna pay attention to is this number right here. Formula counter. This number right here, 60%. So you want to do is okay. Hold. Let me back up. Skirt. All right. So we gotta delete this. Usually I'll leave it for you guys as is blank, but what you just gotta do is count the images. So I was telling you guys earlier, 0 through 15, which is 16 total. So I'm gonna do here is add 16. All right. And I'm gonna save it. Close it out, and then I'm gonna rename it. So you're gonna rename it as the text part. You're gonna delete text and put INI. Enter. Yes. So now it's saved as this file. Alright. So what you want to do is go to your documents, and once you download RainMeter, a folder should come out saying RainMeter. So you click that, go to skins. What you want to do is drag that folder we just made right here, Chansey folder, and drag it inside there. Alright, so now we have it in our folder, in our documents, RainMeter, skins. Alright, so now it's right here, Chansey's right here. To test it out, if it's working, you close it and open RainMeter down here. Click it and refresh all. And if you see here, it says Chansey. So we click it, double click it, and Chansey. And boom, there you go. There's our Chansey right there. Look at that. And I can move wherever I want. I could adjust it. I could put settings and make it non-draggable. So, but yeah, pretty stuff is. I like doing this because it's pretty cool. Makes my desktop look cooler. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys need any help, just put a comment below. And thank you for watching. Deuces.